Two-piece meal Chicken Joy of Jollibee. No, we didn't buy it from the store, we didn't order it, but we made it from scratch. You too can do it. We have the recipe. At kuhang-kuha natin. Join na at gagawa tayo ng fried chicken, Jollibee style. Ibibida natin ang Pinoy fried chicken sa buong mundo. Let's do this in English. Oo naman. This is Channel 1. Ingleserong Pinoy channel ito. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Hello, warm greetings. Your Kuya Uncle here, and welcome to our small kitchen here in Holland. From Anda, from the Philippines, but now cooking in Holland. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. We too here are in lockdown situation, and we miss Jollibee. You too, you miss Jollibee, di ba? So I have here my friend Jovinar who's visiting, and we miss Jollibee. Gagawa kami ng Jollibee from scratch. Thank you, by the way, to the Salcedos for giving us this idea. I'll be showing you how I prepared the marinade yesterday and the ingredients as I add them. Salt, and this is chicken powder or chicken bouillon or chicken cube. And let's add garlic powder or fresh garlic, crush fresh garlic. And I added more of the chicken powder here. Complete list and the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. Let's pour water here. Minimize just enough to soak. Not even to soak, but just minimize. To have an more intense flavor, we need a higher concentration marinade. And obviously, this amount is not enough for this big slices of chicken. I'll show you how to optimize the use of this minimum liquid for marinating the chicken. Put them in a sealable plastic bag, like how I'm doing it here, and then add the marinade. For the marinade, now squeeze out the air to allow complete contact of the liquid with the meat. Squeeze out. This way, the liquid fully covers the meat, and place it on a dish in case it leaks, and into the fridge. It's also advisable to turn it after 6 hours. Okay. I have already marinated this. I've shown you the ingredients and the procedures earlier, but I learned something. You too will learn something from this. That's why stay, because we will understand kung bakit maliliit ang slices ng Jollibee. There's a reason for that. Yeah. So, let's start. So, instead of using this, the big pieces, I marinated instead smaller pieces. So, ito yung ating, these are the chicken pieces, wings, that I have earlier marinated. You know what? Why are small pieces more advantageous? It's because they're easier to cook. You need a professional fryer if you have to cook big pieces. So you have to slice them into smaller pieces for your convenience. Otherwise, it will take long. So what are the ingredients now? We are about to fry here. Oh, it's already boiling even. So, I forget the word, but I have to dredge. Yeah, there's the word, dredge. I have to dredge now the pre-marinated chicken. I have here perhaps 1 cup of that. 1 tablespoon. I'll give you the ingredients, list of ingredients later. I want it to be a bit spicy. The garlic powder, paprika. So, and just a bit of salt. Yes. And mix our dredging mix. Mix our dredging mix. Dredge the dredging. Dredge. Do we have pepper here already? We need pepper. White pepper. Yeah. Again, the ingredients you will find at the description box or in the description box below. Now, what else do we need here? We need milk and egg. We need another bowl for that. Where is my bowl? We also need egg. Perhaps one egg would suffice for this. Yes, just one egg. And milk. There's a reason for using egg here. Egg assures us of the golden brown color. And the smell of egg as it fries also gives that rich smell that we love. And the milk gives additional aroma and creaminess to the breading. Yeah, mas mabango siya talaga. It smells better with, or it smells better if we add milk and egg. And I have here a pressure cooker, so it should be as slow as possible. The pressure cooker allows you to cook, or the heat to penetrate the chicken, and it also allows you to cook quicker. But quicker also means it easily burns, so be careful. I tried earlier to use ordinary cooker and it took time, and I even had bigger pieces, so that's why I learned to use smaller pieces. Easier. So, dredge. Perhaps 5 at a time, or just 4. Dredge nothing. Now comes the another procedure. The dredging, we immerse the same. We immerse chicken into the solution and dredge it again. And into the frying pan or into your cooker. The second piece into milk and egg solution, into the dredging bowl again, and into the fryer. Okay. You know what, if you can only smell it, it really smells like Jollibee. Di ba, Jobinoy?
Yeah.
See? I think the magic here is the garlic and the egg. Of course, to keep that Jollibee feel, we have a red container. Jollibee the Jollibee, di ba? Yeah. Jollibee from scratch, because I've heard, of course the restaurants are closed, and I also heard from the Salcedos that Jollibee starts to sell pre-marinated chicken. So why buy pre-marinated chicken if you can make, or if you can prepare the chicken from scratch? That's what we just showed. It's been, I think, 10 minutes per side, and I'm quite confident it's good. Let's open it. Our Jollibee recipe from scratch. No reason not to enjoy Jollibee during this time because you can make it at home. It's easy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to have you again next time. And if you prefer traveling, don't forget to watch also My Barrio My Mundo. Don't forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of every release. Pinoy food every Friday and international food Mondays. Your Kuya and Uncle here, over there. Till next time. Bye-bye. And of course, since we are making Jollibee from scratch, we might as well duplicate the real Jollibee experience. So we'll be preparing a 2-piece meal. Let's start with the rice. 1 scoop of rice for our 2-piece meal. Close up, Jubinard. Our 2-piece meal from Jollibee. Dine in or take out? Do you want to try our mango peach, ma'am? Thank you for dining with us. Hanggang sa muli. Oh, cameraman.
Ano mo ginawa tong soup na to?
Nasa YouTube.